guys, I am back with the Tuesday morning haul. A couple things from AliExpress and a project share. First I'll show you from I don't know what to do. I'll show you my project share first. I got some dies from AliExpress the other day, and I used my Golden Coast by Prima. Isn't that pretty? I got this die and that and that and that and that. And then inside it just says Feeling Golden. I love that. And then this one, I made my little pirate girl. I love that too. Just really simple, but it's so pretty. I got this ribbon. It's like wired burlap glitter for $1 at Walmart the other day, and I was like, oh, perfect. So I made those. Okay, AliExpress. I need bookmarks because I read like a whole bunch of books at the same time. So look at these. Not a whole bunch, but like I like to read a couple. So I think these are $1.73 for like 18, 16, something like that. They're so cute. So just like that. Got those. This is a die, and I think it has like a pumpkin head, a mummy head, like this, like a vampire head and a cat head. And here's a monocle, a hat. Here's a mummy head. I think those go together. Vampire head, jack-o'-lantern head. This is like a vampire cape, and then a cat head, I think. I'll have to look. So I got that. This one, there's no picture except it's like a shaker on Ali, which is fine, but they didn't use anything at all except this and this. That's all they used. So I guess use your imagination. I mean, that kind of looks like maybe a tag, like the hole that you can put at the top, I guess. I have no idea what any of this is. Maybe eyes or cat eye. I don't know. I really don't. So I got that, but I know it's gonna be cute. And then I got these. Just some stamps. So those will be fun. They look kind of like creepy, vintagey, Halloween-y to me. And then what I got today at Tuesday morning, I thought this was Halloween-like, and I still haven't tried the others I bought. This was kind of Halloween, so hopefully they're good. Look how pretty that one is. And then I'm hoping that this works. They're all $1.99, so that's exciting. This was kind of like Halloween too, so I got these for $1.19. So these could be like, you know, wild. I'm hoping to paint those Dollar Tree wooden sticker things. I got this Beautiful Night. That's all that's in there. And this goes with it. They're puffy stickers, cute. And then this. And I have not opened this, so I don't know what it looks like, but I'm sure it's cute. Oh, what did I miss? Oh, that's cute. Oh, I thought those are those little black cats. Ooh. Oh, look at those. This is gonna be so cute. I've ordered a lot of dies and charms and stuff from Ali. Oh, I love that. And I can't wait to get those. And then that goes with that is this. So I got the big one of that. I love the holographic. So that'll be fun. And then I got 2 of these Spellcast. Love that chipboard. There's that. I love it. I love like vintagey stuff. Halloween. This makes it creepier. I got this to go with it. I love those dancing creepy lady things. Of course, my black cat, as always. And I got the paper pad. So I think these are on AC Digitals as well, in case if I need some backup. It's really pretty. Ooh, I saw that black cat and I saw that gold. I love Halloween. It's my favorite. I go insane. And then the only thing I saw there that I wanted, I didn't see the paper pad. I did see the thickers. I mean, it was okay. This is all I saw from the, oh no, they had the washi and I was like, I didn't get it. But anyway, guys, I can't wait to start Halloween crafting. I don't know what I'm going to do right now as far as crafting, but I'm excited. So, thanks for watching. Bye.